Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do if your Mobile Legends application doesn't work. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you just try and open up the Mobile Legends game and it just crashes, then there are a few things that you should do first. Go to your phone settings and then tap on the applications page. From there, simply scroll down and look for Mobile Legends. Once you find the application, tap on it and you will be taken to the application settings page. Make sure that you have all of the permissions allowed by tapping on the permissions tab. After ensuring all of the required permissions have been granted, you can go back and scroll down and tap on storage. You will now be taken to the storage page. Now you can simply try clearing your cache first and see if this helps. If it does, then you're good to go. Otherwise, you can try clearing your data as well by tapping on clear data and then the delete button. After clearing your data and your cache, go ahead and open up the game once again and see if this works. If it still doesn't, then you can try searching for it on the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and tap on the uninstall button and install it once again. Now open up the game and see if it works. With all of these, it must work perfectly fine. If it still doesn't work, then you can try leaving a comment on the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store page so that the developer team can help you through with it. And there you have it. That is how you can solve the issue of the game simply not working on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.